Hello, my name is Jackie Garcia Solano and I'm going to explain through this video the mind map that I just made for the course Technology in Foreign Language Teaching. Well, I just split my mind map in different branches in which the technology, the applications of the ICT in the classroom and in the learning and teaching process is developed, and also the advantages and the tools that we can use to introduce those ICT in our classrooms. The first thing that I mentioned was the use of the ICT in English teaching learning process, focusing 5 important roles that technology can play in education. We know that nowadays technology is very important not only for the development of a person in the different areas, but also to the learning process of a language or even a career. So we mentioned 5 important roles of the ICT in education. Also, we mention hindrances or obstacles that can prevent teachers from using ICT. In schools, in academies, we have different problems that we can face when trying to introduce those ICT in our classrooms. Also, the advantages, we have a lot of advantages nowadays to be able to transmit our message and to be able to teach a language in a right way, in a accuracy, with accuracy. Also, I mentioned the use of the ICT in the study of foreign languages. We have different areas, as I mentioned before, and we have advantages in all of them, but we focus this branch on this part that is the study of a foreign language. And we also mention some of the tools that we can introduce in our lesson plans and in our English teaching activity. And finally, we mention a classification of the ICT tools in the education system, and the components or the materials that are in each one of them. So that was all the things that I included in the mind map, and I also added pictures and different tools that are also important for this activity. Thank you very much for your attention.